Hello, my crafty friends. It's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. I'm here with a very quick craft. I am participating in a fall loaded bag swap, and I just put together this really cute loaded bag, and I thought I would show you what I did for this particular one, and then I'll show you the basics on how to put together the bags. So this is just tied with a little bit of ribbon, and it's made with 3 bags, and they're all sewn together. You don't have to sew, but I sewed it. In the first pocket, I put my vintage button ephemera. There is just a little envelope with some die cuts. One of the I am thankful for pumpkin cards, and also the leaf card. I included one of the journal cards that I made for fall. And there's a tag from a digital kit. I took 2 Tenley cinnamon spice tea bags, and I put it in a Ziploc and sewed around to make the bag smaller. And then I just covered it with some fall cardstock. That's it for this pocket. I put a little embellished yellow flower altered paper clip. There's some washi tape in the colors of autumn. 3 small tags that the person that receives this can decorate it using her own stash. I put together a stash of different paper clips that I had in my stash that I thought she might like. Some bling. One of the journaling tags that I made for autumn, for fall. Cute little burlap bag. That's it for that pocket. Then in this pocket there is a package of different washi stickers that I thought that she could use. I made this little coin envelope, and inside I put 2 chocolate Canadian dollars. She'll enjoy that. It says fall has arrived. I put a little bit of washi on the back. Then there's an envelope filled with different cards for my stash. One that she can add a picture to. One that's embossed. And then 2 fall color scalloped cards. And I think that's it in that bag. And then in this bag, I put together a bunch of fall napkins that I thought that she could use to decoupage and decorate. I put together a little cute burlap package. It says Harvest Blessings. That's it in that one. You can see it's nice and flat now. There's a little clip that has some sparklies on it that she can pull off and clip it somewhere. And then I also made this tassel with a pumpkin bell. So yeah, I think it turned out really cute. It was super fun to make. And now I'll just show you quickly how I put the bags together. So what I did was I glued this flap down. Actually, I glued all 3 flaps down. And this one I had already done. So what I did was I made the first pocket about this big. And then I positioned the bags so that they were kind of staggered. Then I ran this through my sewing machine. So I'll do that really quick. Okay, so I ran this through my sewing machine. Then I simply cut the end off. Then what I did was I put glue on these 2 sides and glued it down. Then I put glue on these 2 sides of the second bag and glued it down. But I only glued the back part of it down. It did make extra pockets, so if you wanted to, you could just glue the whole thing down. But you want to make sure that the gusset doesn't get any glue. And then you do the same thing with this one, glue it down. And then I took digital paper for fall, and I cut a piece this size, glued it on, took another piece and glued it on. And actually, if you want to put the paper down first before you glue the sides down, then you can kind of hide the bottom of the paper. And then you do the same thing for this bit. Any part that shows, you just put a piece of digital. So I would do these first, then I would glue all the sides down. And then you can do your decorating, putting different things in the pockets. So that's how simple it is. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe. Hit the bell so that you'll receive all of my future videos. And have a great evening. Stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye, friends.